Men's sexual arousal is a complex process that involves the brain, the hormones, the emotions, muscles, blood vessels, and nerves. Problem with any of these can result to impotence or weak erection. Do you also know that an estimated 70 to 80% cases of erectile dysfunction are related to physical issues that affect the blood flow to the penis? Yes, if there is impaired blood flow to the penis, it can affect a man's sexual life. In today's video, we'll be talking about the causes of weak erection and how to treat it by yourself in your home. If it is something you're interested in, then stay with me till the end of this video. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And for the returning viewers, thank you so much as well. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back. In today's video, without wasting much of our time, we'll be talking about impotence, causes of impotence, and how to treat it. I mean the home remedies. Firstly, let's define the impotence or weak erection. Impotent weak erection or erectile dysfunction is when a man cannot get or keep an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. When a man cannot stay erected for sexual intercourse, yes, that is erectile dysfunction or weak erection. Although having weak erection from time to time may not necessarily be a cause for concern, but if this persists for a very long time, then it can lead to inability to impregnate a woman. It can also lead to a relationship strain and as well low self-esteem. That is why you should take this serious. Now let's talk about causes of weak erection. Weak erection is usually caused when there is impaired blood flow to the penis. Also, any problem that involves the penis or the structures around the penis can affect a man's sexual life. Sometimes weak erection can occur as a side effect of taking some medications. Medications like number one is antidepressant. These are drugs used to treat depression. For instance, paroxetine. One of the side effects of this drug is impotence. The second drug is antihypertensive drugs. These are popularly known to treat hypertension, and some of these drugs that can cause impotence, they are beta blockers like atenolol, metoprolol, carvedilol. They can cause impotence. The third one is antihistamine. Antihistamines are drugs that are used to treat allergies. These drugs too, like cimetidine, can cause impotence when you take this for a very long time. And the last one among the list of the drugs I'll be telling you today is diuretics. Diuretics are also called water drugs because they help your body to get rid of water and salt, excess water and salt. In case of edema, it's also used in treating hypertension or even heart failure. Some of these drugs are furosemide and spironolactone. One of the side effects of these drugs is impotence. So these drugs that I mentioned can have side effects that can affect your sexual life as a man. Number two, we already talked about the first one, which are medications, and the number two is heart problem. Any heart condition that affects the heart and its ability to pump blood can affect a man's sexual life too. Because if enough blood is not getting to the penis, a man will not be able to sustain an erection during sexual intercourse. And the number three is atherosclerosis. Yes, that is clogged blood vessels. A condition that causes blood vessels to become clogged can cause impotence. You know, we talk about heart problem, anything that affects heart and its ability to pump blood. It can also cause impotence, especially in case of atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is buildup of plaque, like bad cholesterol in your blood vessels. When this happens and there is blockage in your arteries, it will limit the blood flow that goes to your heart or that goes to your penis, okay? And we already said, if enough blood is not getting to the penis, there will be weak erection. Number four, Low level of testosterone. Testosterone is a primary sex hormone in male. It regulates sex drive and as well increase sperm production. So when there is low level of this particular hormone, testosterone is one of the most important hormone in male. Okay, if there is low level of this hormone, it can or it will definitely alter a man's sexual life. The man will not be able to not only to stay erected, it will also decrease sperm production. Number five, depression and anxiety. I will tell you why. In order to achieve an erection, you must be happy. You must be mentally fit to achieve an erection. You must be in the mood, okay? That is called excitement phase. When a man is having an emotional disorder, it will be difficult for such a man to become sexually aroused because this thing comes with so much happiness. And if you're not happy, if you're depressed, you have problem in sustaining an erection during sexual intercourse. Number six, injuries or surgeries. Surgeries that affect the spinal cord or the pelvic area can lead to impotence. Also, injuries. Injuries that affect the penis and the structure around the penis, be it the nerves or the blood vessels, can definitely lead to weak erection. Yes. The next one is sleep disorder. If you don't get enough sleep, it can affect your sexual life. It can lead to weak erection. You need to be mentally fit. You need to be physically fit. You just need to be fine. You don't have choice to be able to always stay erected when it is needed. Okay. And the next one is obesity, diabetes, and high cholesterol. I will tell you why high cholesterol can cause weak erection. High cholesterol, usually from the food that you eat and the junks, can lead to increased level of low density lipoprotein or triglycerides. These are bad cholesterols that can form plaque in your blood vessels in case of atherosclerosis. And when this happens, when these bad cholesterols build up in your blood vessels, they will prevent the blood flow that is getting into your penis, and you may have it really difficult to get an erection when you want to have sexual intercourse. The next one, which is the last causes of erectile dysfunction we'll be talking about, is alcohol or substance abuse. You see, alcohol, substance abuse like amphetamines, cocaine, or even tobacco use. These things actually restrict blood flows from getting into your blood vessels, and in the long time it can lead to impotence. Now let's talk about management or home remedies to treat erectile dysfunction. Two of the best ways you can manage erectile dysfunction or weak erection by yourself in your home is to make a healthy lifestyle choices and as well to treat an underlying disease. Okay, if you get an underlying problem treated, you will be fine. There is probability that you can get your sexual life back without even taking any medications to treat weak erection. For instance, if you have diabetes, get it treated. If you have any heart problem, including hypertension, get it managed. If you're obese, come on, go to the gym and exercise. Obesity is not healthy for anyone, and it's not only the slim ones that exercise. Okay, if you're slim as well, you need exercise because exercise improves blood circulations throughout the body. So exercise is good for everyone. It increases the blood circulations to your heart, also to the rest of the vital organs in your body. The next one is medications. Okay, if you notice that since when you have been taking a particular drug, you have been experiencing weak erection, try and see the doctor or the pharmacist that prescribed that drug for you for a change in medications. Okay, do not stop abruptly. And the next one is get enough sleep. Make sure you sleep. Sleep is good for everyone. Sleep is good for your brain, it's good for your heart, it's good for your whole body. So, especially your brain, because that is what is secreting most of the hormones that regulate everything in our body. So, sleep is very essential. The next one is Cut down junks, sugary foods, sugary drinks. Cut it down. If possible, stay away from it. I know it might be difficult to stop taking sugary foods or even junks, but at least reduce it. Cut it down because these are not healthy. Instead, eat your fruits and your vegetables. Always drink water, and as well, go for whole grain meals. Eat your fish, your vegetables, your proteins, your egg. Eat them sufficiently instead of taking junks and sugary foods. With all these mentions, definitely you will see a lot of improvement in your sexual life if you cut down or you take out the bad habits like drinking alcohol, using drugs, not getting enough sleep, not exercising, not eating junks, and so on. If you try and stay away from all these things, okay, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in your health. But if all these mentions did not improve your symptoms, then you need to see a doctor. You might be prescribed medications like sildenafil, that is popularly known as Viagra, also tadalafil, vardenafil, and so on. You can as well be suggested to go for sex therapy or penile injections, that is injected directly into the penis to increase blood circulations to the penis. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. If you find this helpful, kindly like, share, drop your comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.